Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create an animated product video for your social media using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva, and here we are going to click on create button. Okay, and here we are going to select the landscape video. You can also use the custom size, and you can simply add the custom size of 1920 by 1080 pixel. So first of all, I have clicked on landscape video. Okay, here is the blank template, and we are going to create a good video in this template. So watch this video till end, because we are going to discuss a very unique concept, a very good concept that will make your product animated video very much creative, right? So as you can see, we are having a blank template, right? So first of all, we are going to add a background to it, right? We will go fast because it will take time, right? So we are going to add a blank. Okay, so we have selected this blank template, and then we are going to add colors to it. So I have selected the color palette option available above, and here we have just chosen this color, right? And here we are just going to add some elements. So we are going to elements, and here I am searching for example, jewelry. Okay, we are into the photos, and here there are some good jewelries, right? So whatever the jewelry you like the most, you can simply select that particular jewelry, right? For example, let us select this one, right? It's looking nice. Else you can also select this one, right? Let us detach image. Let us delete this one, and then we are going to use this one. Okay, so I have simply dragged and dropped this particular jewelry image, the necklace jewelry image, right? Let me again detach. Okay, now we are going to remove the background. So I have just selected this image and clicked on background remover, and as you can see, the whole background has been removed. No, we don't want this. We are going to select some another jewelry, right? Okay, this one is also nice, right? So we will simply drag and drop this image over here, then remove the background. Okay, it's looking nice. Now we are just going to place it over here and going to duplicate it once again, right? Let me duplicate it. Okay, now we are just going to increase its size, and we are going to send it backward, right? Okay, now we are going to decrease its transparency like this. You can decrease as much as you want, and here in the elements we are just going to search for frame. Okay, there are lots of good frames available, right? You can select any of the frame, right? For example, let me choose this one, or you can also use any other frame, right? You can also go to shapes, right? Rectangle, shape. Let's click on see all, and here you can find some good shape as well, right? Let me click on the elements again. You can change its color to whatever the color you want, right? For example, let me choose any dark color, right? Or you can simply choose it from here as well, right? And this one color must be of that. You can choose it from here, right? Now we are just going to send it back, layer, send backward. Okay, right? Now here we are just going to add some elements, right? For example, 10% off. Okay, we are going to add this one, text over here, right? We can add some more text, jewelry, bangles, necklaces, rings, right? So whatever the text you want, then you can simply change its color to white. You can change the font as well. For example, I'm just using Anton over here, and we are just reducing the line shape, right? You can choose any font, right? I'm just increasing the size and just going to transparency and going to reduce its transparency, right? And here we are just going to send it back. So I've selected this and clicked on triple dot and then layer, send backward again, send backward. Okay, it's done, right? You can also add some more elements. For example, starting from rupees 999, you can add it over here. You can give it an effect, that is drop effect or glow effect, right? Or you can give outline as well, right? You can choose the color, the same color if you want, right? You can reduce the size if required, right? Sale. Okay, we can add some good text over here, right? For example, dbjewelers.com, or we can make it capital as well, right? We are going to reduce its size as per our requirement, or let's not make this vertical. We are just going to rotate it like this and then decrease its size, then place it over here, right? Similarly, you can add some another images as well, right? So we are just going to add animation to each and every element. So first of all, let's go with the background text, right? And here we are going to click on animate, and here in the animate you can select any of the animation. For example, let us select the baseline, right? And you can then select this one as well and click on animate, and then you can simply select whatever the effect you want. For example, here also I'm just using the baseline effect, right? And here also I'm just selecting the baseline effect, and here also I'm selecting the baseline effect, and in this one baseline, we can adjust the timing later, right? I'm just selecting each and every text, right? You can increase and decrease the timing of each and every effect as well, right? For example, I'm just going to decrease the speed, right? You can decrease its speed as well. You can decrease its speed as well. You can decrease its speed as well. And then let's make its speed over here, and then its speed a little bit later, right? So you can see how they are coming, right? You will get an idea from here, right? Similarly, we are going to click on grid view and add another page, edit this as well. So here I'm just using template, right? Because I don't want to waste much of your time, right? So whatever the template you want, you can simply add it over here, right? Okay, we have not removed this earlier. Let's press Ctrl Z twice and then again grid view, add a page, edit this one, let us delete this one. Now we are going to select this, right? Whatever the text you want, whatever the template you want, right? Okay, now we are again going back, exit video, and here we are just going to add some text. For example, add a heading, type sale, right, and again duplicate it, and again duplicate it, again duplicate it, again duplicate it. Okay, we are just going to move it little bit above in the upper direction, right? I'm going to add effects, that is of outline or hollow. Hollow would be perfect. Okay, we have added hollow effect, right? Now we are going back to the video and just going to duplicate it 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So we are going to duplicate it 5 times. Duplicate page, second time, third time, fourth time, and then fifth time. Okay, right? And here we are just going to reduce its size, right? Reduce its duration, and then we are going to edit this, and here we are just going to make it bold. So we are into effects, and here we will remove this effect, remove effect, right? Exit video, and now we are going to edit this, and here also we are going to remove the effect, remove effect. Now going back again, we are editing this, and here we are going to remove effect, effects, remove effect, right? Similarly, edit this, and we are going to remove the effect. Okay, make sure we are going in the right manner, right? We have clicked on effects and then remove effect. Okay, let's decrease the duration of each and every slide to 0.2 s, right? You can apply to all pages as well, right? Okay, it's done. Now we can increase its duration. It's 5 seconds, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Okay, we can reduce its duration as well, right? From 4 seconds you can reduce it to like 3 seconds, right? Similarly, you can reduce its duration to 3.0 seconds. Okay, now let us play the video and see if there is any mistake. Okay, it's working fine. Now we are going to add some transition, right, between the first and second. Add transition, and here you can find some good transition. Here I am using the chop effect, right, from which side you just formed. Okay, it's done. Now let us look the video again. Okay, it's looking nice, right? So in this manner you can simply create a good animated product video for your social media platforms. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.